Binance has announced that you can now buy and sell alpha tokens through the Convert feature. I'm going to quickly show you how to do it. First, log into Binance. If you don't have a Binance account, you can sign up using the link in the description for a lifetime 20% commission discount. Next, you'll see the trade section at the bottom. Go ahead and click that. The spot tab is usually selected by default, so just switch over to the Convert tab. Now you can convert any token you want into another one. For instance, you can swap any token you are holding for a different one. I'm going to show you a sample trade right now. At the top, USDT is selected, and at the bottom, you can choose the token you want to get. As you can see, alpha tokens are also available here. You can buy or sell any alpha token right here. You can use the search bar if you want, or just select any token from the list. For a quick example, I'll show you with a random token. I've selected the BR token. Here, I enter the amount I want to buy. Then I press the preview button. After that, I can complete the purchase by clicking confirm. See, that was quick and easy. Now to sell the BR token, I'll use the switch button to move it to the top and convert it back to USDT. Again, I'll select the full balance, press preview, and as soon as I confirm the transaction, it's sold. And that's really all there is to it. You can come here and easily buy and sell any alpha token you want. If you have any questions, just drop them for us in the comments below. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.